If you take a look at the top 10, you're going to see that Dogecoin is one of the top gainers today out of these major cryptocurrencies. And we are at a very pivotal moment for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. Today, Bitcoin boosted upward and Dogecoin came even higher because we had some key data released regarding inflation, and inflation fears were bigger than the actual reality of the situation, causing the markets to have a big move to the upside today. And now I want to explore with you guys where we're looking for Dogecoin to go here in the short term before we have a major move to the upside. I personally believe a $1 Dogecoin is going to be extremely simple to achieve in this bull market. And I do believe that we'll even see a $2 Doge at some point in 2025. And there are many, many reasons for that. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me just hop right into this one. So just jumping right into it again, if you look at the top 10 coins, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. We could include or exclude Tether, Binance, Solana, Dogecoin, getting rid of USDC. You look at Cardano, Tron, and Avalanche. The biggest mover right here is Dogecoin at rank number 7, up 7.8%. Nothing is up over 7% in the top 10 besides Doge. And what's interesting is if you look at the top mover in the top 100 today, yes, Fartcoin and two other meme coins are leading the way, AI16Z and SPX 6900. We are in quite a wild time where meme coins love to surge, but there is only one top dog when it comes to memes, and that is Dogecoin. And more so than any other cryptocurrency, Elon Musk has put his support behind this coin, leaving room for optimism. I do like the idea of trading Dogecoin in these bull markets, especially. At this point in time, I'm not necessarily looking to make a trade for Doge because I still believe we're kind of in this no man's land territory. If you do want to sign up for Blowfin and get ready for a trade when we do find some key levels to find support or resistance for Doge, you can sign up for Blowfin. They got up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using our link and a 10% discount on trading fees for life. Right now, Doge is coming up, and it could continue to come up, but I want to issue a couple warnings for you guys. First off, yesterday, Bitcoin came down below $90,000. Now, I did a couple videos yesterday. I did a live stream where I said, I feel in my heart that we could see the 85K level achieved. Why? Because our total market cap for cryptocurrency touched down. It wicked down to the $3 trillion level, and I really do want to see a weekly candle or at least a daily candle close, like the body candle, the fat part of the candle close on the top of this level at $3 trillion. We still haven't seen that, and so I still lean in the short term with a bearish bias, but you have to be careful with that. It's not like, oh, now's the time to open up a short, because Dogecoin could be coming back up to the bottom of this range, and it could be testing up to 43 cents before potentially coming back down, or perhaps we're just going to see crypto come back up. Nothing is definite here, guys. That is just the way that it is. Now, why are we coming up today? Because we are seeing the PPI data come in lower than expected, which is good, signaling that inflation is not as bad as people anticipated. We're waiting on CPI to come out very soon, and that is the actual number one metric that the Fed uses to raise or lowest interest rates. Why am I talking about interest rates when it comes to a meme coin like Dogecoin? Because the reality of the situation is this, guys. When interest rates are cut, that is better for risk on assets like Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin's doing well, Dogecoin is going to do well. If there are rate hikes, that is bad for risk on assets like Bitcoin and then like Dogecoin, because people can go get better yields in treasuries and bonds when interest rates are higher rather than putting it on risk on assets. Money is more expensive to borrow with higher interest rates, and money is less expensive to borrow with lower interest rates. That's common sense, but I know a lot of people don't necessarily understand that. So it's funny, we're talking about a meme coin about a dog, and we're talking about interest rates, but it's very real. It's very real. That is why I think our market cap is coming back up on a daily candle today, but we still have a lot of time left in the week. We still have quite a bit of time until Inauguration Day, 6 days until the future president in the United States is put into power here in the USA, and he is teasing some pro-crypto agendas, announcements even on day one, and I think that's why we've got a little bit of hope coming today. The reality of the situation is this, guys. I could see crypto pumping into inauguration and then pumping after inauguration. I could also see this little pump we're getting today as a fake out before we get a little bit of a shakeout more to the downside before continuation to the upside after inauguration day and after executive orders are actually put out. We're going to have to see what inflation comes in at according to CPI data. Probably going to be decently positive, just taking a peek at PPI right now. So we may continue to pump, but we're going to have fierce resistance still at that 100K level likely. In my opinion, that's just kind of what I see right now. So that's something that I'm currently looking at. As for Dogecoin right now, you are seeing it up quite a bit today, which is great. Actually, yesterday, after a big red candle to the downside, it flipped green, and now we are green today. The cool thing with right now Dogecoin is it has a tremendous amount of strength versus Bitcoin. I do not expect Dogecoin to break down below this level. So even if we do come down in the short term, which I do in my kind of heart, I feel like that makes sense looking at total market cap. Even if we do come down, I don't think that Dogecoin is going to collapse severely versus Bitcoin. And I really think that Dogecoin would be shocking if it came below 20 cents again. That would be very shocking to me. And I frankly, I wouldn't be surprised if it kind of kept continuing up because it is definitely one of the more sturdy meme coins out there. Regarding trading opportunities for right now, I don't really like a long, I don't really like a short right now for Dogecoin. I need to see it dancing around some more technicals. I need to see it kind of hitting maybe the support back at 22 cents. I needed to see it hitting resistance possibly at like 43-cent level or even up at the 48-cent level. So we've got to keep an eye out for that. But the biggest piece to the puzzle that I'm harping about time and time again in this content lately is total market cap. We did see a wick to the downside, as I've called out for you guys, but I just don't think that that is it. Now, could we get a rally into Inauguration Day? We absolutely could. We could see Bitcoin come back up, go to 100K, leading into this thing, get a dip maybe on Inauguration Day, and then all of a sudden you have an executive order come out. Maybe we just see it pump through Inauguration Day. This is a very difficult time to make trading calls for Bitcoin and crypto because some people are calling for 73K, some people are calling for 85K, and some people are just saying we're going to go up. There is more indecision in this crypto market than I've seen in a while. I personally am very indecisive about where we're going in the short term, and that's just the truth of it, guys, that I want to share with you guys. But when you zoom out, remember, Dogecoin got to 73 cents in the past. And there is a real world where Dogecoin easily gets to $1. And if Elon Musk really continues to support Dogecoin, and Pepe for that matter, he's been supporting Pepe as well lately, we might even get to see Dogecoin break to $2 at some point in this bull market, because I do believe that we could see this asset class go from $3.24 trillion possibly to $10 trillion at some point in this bull market. And we just haven't seen that big move yet. If you want to trade again, you can sign up for Blowfin down below. Right now, I don't love trading as a strategy in this very moment for Dogecoin in particular, but I am looking out for key trades. Now, if you want to sign up for a major crypto exchange where you can easily go from your bank into crypto for the first time, or to have a DCA strategy, you can sign up for crypto.com. They got these awesome Visa cards where you can take profit, top up these cards, and get cash back on your spending, on your groceries, on your gas in the form of crypto, which is pretty neat. They're going to launch banking services. They're going to launch a U.S. exchange in 2025. You can already use their app on your iPhone or your smartphone, which is pretty cool. Affiliate links for you guys down below. What do I think for Dogecoin right now? I'm actually quite indecisive, but I'll tell you this. Decisively, where am I decisive for Dogecoin? I don't think we're coming down below this Bitcoin trend line. Dogecoin is broken out versus Bitcoin, and I think we're going to stay above that for the remainder of this bull market until the top is in, and then we'll see where we kind of go from there. I think the top is going to be sometime in August, October, maybe September of 2025. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.